Goldie Chan. She is such an inspiration to me. I first saw her in one of her videos on LinkedIn and I realized she creates a video every single day. She also runs her own agency. How does she do it all? How do you do everything and keep that balance?
This is always the toughest question because I think that balance is not always real. So what is more real is health and having a healthy balance, I guess you could say. So maybe still the word balance. But one of the things that I try to do is prioritize. So you cannot have a healthy work-life balance unless you prioritize. And that's really thinking what is the most important. That applies to everything from, of course, work to your personal life. What is your priorities? And be really deliberate about how you choose your priorities.
Oh yes, priorities. This is something that I just had to learn the hard way, really. What are my priorities? Well, for me, having children, we have 3 small children, and that has basically forced me to know what my priorities are, to know who I want to spend time with, what I want to spend time on, what really gives me energy, and to also say no to the things that do not give me energy or that are not a priority. But it's always difficult. How do you set your priorities? How do you plan things, plan everything out?
You know, for me, when I'm thinking about choosing my priorities, I do always try to think of, okay, what is my big goal that I'm trying to accomplish this year? We're in 2019. So what is my big goal I'm trying to accomplish this year? And what are kind of smaller sub goals in that? And what are the priorities for finishing everything? And what is it that I really want to do? And then of course, in terms of my personal life, you know, what are just fun things that I would like to do? Who are people I would like to get to know better in my life and spend more quality time with? What are places in the world that I'd love to visit? And for anyone watching this, 3 places that I would love to visit this year. One is New Orleans, one is Japan, and the other one is Brazil. So if you have any speaking gigs for me there, hook it up.
Well, I am sure Japan will welcome you with open arms, Goldie. Thank you so much for giving us some insight in how you do it all, running your own agency, producing all the content, but also having some balance with your personal life as well. If you would like to see more of these types of videos, next up is Judy Fox. I will ask her some questions about how she does it all, also being a mother as well. So please follow me to stay up to date and see you in the next video. Bye.